Good day once again, guys. Since you know that we always share with you valuable content here, we hope you like this video. We hope you share. We hope you share with us your comments as well. We hope you have already subscribed to this amazing channel where we're going to be sharing with you deeper things concerning volatility 75 index and all these so-called synthetic indices. So we are going to be sharing with you wonderful content here on a daily basis to make sure that your trading career is delivering to you the money that you actually want. So currently we are in this trade. We're currently in a buy on the VIX75, and we actually gave the buy in our free Telegram group and also our paid signals group. So if you check this buy, we actually took it from the bottom there. We actually took it from the bottom, and we're currently up. How many pips? Let me check. Let me check how many pips we actually took it from there. We're currently up 2,296 pips. We're actually up 2,296 pips, which is quite a good amount for the day, which is actually quite a good amount for the day, even though we're expecting it to go all the way up. So this is the current trade that we are in, and you actually see the reason why we are actually in that trade after you finish this video. So since we're going through the weekly overall analysis, I'm going to remove all my drawings and start basically from the daily. As for the monthly and the weekly analysis time frame, you actually can go to our previous videos which we shared. You can actually check them at the end of this video. You can actually go and watch those videos and actually see what we projected that is happening on the monthly and the weekly time frame on the volatility 75 index. So currently, this is the daily time frame. To simplify everything, this market, if you check, it has been in a bullish momentum. Then, as it was bullish, that previous low came and was broken, then made lower highs. So in this zone region here, this region from it was actually downtrending. In as much as it started with an uptrend, then downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, then so this was a downtrend that was happening in that time, and it actually got broken, broke out and retested. So the first initial buys were supposed to start there, then continue like that. So currently, if you check, currently we're in an amazing uptrend. First touch down there, my second touch there. Where is my first touch at the top? First touch there, second touch there, third touch there. So currently, if you actually check, we are actually in a very good uptrend on volatility 75 index. If you actually understand our strategy and our way of trading, you realize that in an uptrend we are focused more on buying, and in a downtrend we are focused more on selling. So our swing trades, if when you are in an uptrend, they're going to be buys, and our scalp trades are going to be sells. In a downtrend, our swing trades are going to be sells, and our scalp trades are going to be buys. So currently we're in an uptrend, all our buys are going to be swing trades. So currently that buy that we are in, it's actually going to be a swing trade for quite a number of days to actually see where the market is going to take us. So currently we're in an uptrend, just as you can see, first touch, second touch. Right. So once you have drawn your structures like that, you actually can identify that you're in an uptrend. You now want to identify your key levels now, to identify your levels, that is your levels of supply and demand, support and resistance, whatever you may call it. So currently, I've just drawn one line there. If you actually check, that was a very serious level of resistance, but it was broken and retested, and the market is actually playing on top of that resistance right now. So when the market is on top of our resistance, that is meaning we are actually more buying than selling. So currently, that's why you saw that in the beginning of the video, actually in a buy, we actually took that buy based on this bias that you saw on the daily. Obviously, we took the entry basing on smaller time frames. So currently that buy on the daily, according to the daily, we took it there. We're expecting this market to go all the way to the upside respecting this mini structure that we're having here. I'll scale down to lower time frame so that you see why I'm calling that a mini structure. So we actually have some kind of a triangle, like that. So this market, I'm expecting it to come all the way, that buy to come all the way, break, retest, go all the way. The first major target for this trade is obviously at the top. That is the first major. The first major target is here. That is a top first major target. Second major target is there, respecting that level of resistance. Then the last major target is that zone there at the top. So first target, second target, third target. So roughly we're expecting. So if you missed the buy, for example, we have a Telegram link in the description below where you can actually get these signals in our Telegram group on a daily basis, very accurate signals with insane risk management, with insane risk as to reward ratios. For example, most of our risk reward ratios, they are 1:10, 1:20, 1:16, 1:15, 1:5. So all of our risk to reward ratios, they are very high. Even with a small account, you can actually make quite good amount of money. So this is what we're currently seeing on the daily time frame. Let me just scale down to 4 hours. Let me just scale down to 4-hour time frame. Right. On the 4-hour time frame, you can actually see also the quite a similar scenario like on the daily. Like we have our first touch there at the bottom, first swing touch at the bottom there, second swing touch either there or there. Let me just place it there. Right, let me place it there. So right now we're currently in an uptrend, as you saw, guys. We're currently in a very good, beautiful uptrend. So we have a structure. It's a triangle that this market price has been trapped in this triangle for quite a number of days now. And if you check most traders who don't have this strategy that we use, they actually were trapped. They actually were trapped during this entire zone here. So that entire zone, once it's broken, we're actually expecting impulse moves on to the upside. For example, we're expecting a move like this, something like that. We're expecting it to happen once this market breaks out of that structure. So once that market breaks that triangle, we're expecting a very, very good impulse move to the upside, which will be something like this, which will go all the way to the top of our trend line there. That will be the major level of take profit of that buy. So once it breaks at that level of that triangle, you can actually scale in and take advantage of that break and retest on the top of the triangle there. So this is what we are currently seeing, guys, on Volatility 75 index. If you didn't watch our previous videos of analysis, because these videos, they actually add up to one another, since we focus entirely on Volatility 75 and US30, all these videos, there will be every single video, it will be backing from the previous video. So if you didn't watch the previous two videos, go and watch them and actually see why we are actually having this bullish bias over Volatility 75, a very swing. We're actually expecting a very swing buy for this week and even the next week, the whole of next week, if ever the market moves well. So we're actually expecting buys so far, so long price is beyond these zones where it is trapped. So long price comes out of a trapping zone, it always gives us impulse moves. So roughly, this is what we are seeing, guys, on Volatility 75 index. This is 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we have that triangle there. So you can actually scale down to 1 hour, 30 minutes, and actually get a sniper entry for that entry that you're going to be entering after that breakout. You can actually scale down to lower time frames like that, and get good entries. So let me show you an example. That is 1 hour time frame. We said we have our top trend line, first touch, second touch, our bottom trend line. Our bottom trend line, you can place a trend line like that there. You can do it like that, or you can do it like this. Whichever way you do it, we are actually seeing that we are in a very good, beautiful uptrending structure there. So roughly we're expecting, once this market comes and breaks to the upside, we're expecting this market to shoot up all the way to the upside in a very, very impulsive way. So once you get that buy, break and retest, definitely we are shooting all the way to the upside. So you also need to take note of this area of resistance here. This region of resistance, they can actually also impact this movement of the market. So on that level of resistance, the market reaction, they can actually also determine the decision and the trade that you're actually going to take. So this breakout here on that level of resistance can actually trigger an entry as well. Then that breakout as well can actually trigger another entry as well. So this is currently what is happening on VOLATILITY index. We hope you have understood. We hope you have learned something out of this short video, and we hope you have liked, you have subscribed, you share your comments with us. We hope you share the video with as many people as possible to make sure that we all make money through these financial markets. For there is more than enough money in these markets. All you have to do is to make sure that you are getting the right authentic information from the right sources. So we thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this amazing video. We hope we meet again on the next video. We hope we are going to meet you again on the next video. Thank you.